So I don't know if you know this about me, but I love to make like scrubs, creams, and yeah, like lip balms and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna put some stuff like that on my channel and see if who likes it and who doesn't. Let me know if you like it. Please like, comment and subscribe. This is gonna be my just daily scrub that I scrub my skin with. I love to exfoliate. If you know me, you know that I am in the bath consistently. I love to be in baths and scrub and exfoliate my body. So yeah, which is part of the reason why I'm doing skincare. So this is just a quick DIY. I hope you enjoy it. It's not long at all. It literally takes 2 minutes. So this is the ingredients. It is sugar, honey, lemon, olive oil and tea tree oil. So I do 1 cup of unrefined sugar. And yep, so I put it into a bowl. And then we are going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix it up and stir it. Then we're going to use 5 drops of tea tree oil. Sorry guys that you can't see it. The angle is really bad. And we are going to do 4 tablespoons of honey. Give it a stir, or a good old stir. This is really a bad angle, but yeah. Tablespoons of honey. 4 tablespoons of honey. Again with the good old stir. Then we're going to get a lemon and cut it in half and only use half. Add that to the mix and it should look like this. Ooh, all that gooey stuff. Love it. And I'm going to put it in this empty container. So yeah, that's it.